You all know the story. How Scarecrow got a brain, Lion got some courage, the witch went down the drain. Dorothy's back in Kansas, Tin Woodman has a heart. Think that's where it ended? No, that's just the start. 'Cause 1 year later, the fighting tooth and claws. 1 year later, they all come back to us. Because they need some conflict resolution. Munchkins know it all. Conflict resolution. Munchkins stand up tall.
Dorothy snaps at Toto, and Toto barks right back. Lion and Tin Woodman are mad and talking smack.
Scarecrow's throwing tantrums, the wizard has a twitch. They are restraining orders on every single witch. 'Cause 1 year later, the fighting tooth and claws. 1 year later, they all come back to us. Because they need some conflict resolution. Munchkins know it all. Conflict resolution. Munchkins stand up tall. Conflict resolution. Munchkins know it all. Conflict resolution. Munchkins stand up. Conflict resolution. Munchkins know it all. Conflict resolution. Munchkins stand up tall. They stand up tall. They stand up tall, 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 tall.
Hey guys, have you heard? Dorothy's about to come back to Oz. She's here right now, Munchkin Country.
Toto too?
Yep, got that too.
Man, you know I hate that dog.
You can't hate Toto. Nobody hates Toto. He's the cutest dog ever.
Cute. He thought I was a chew toy.
It was only an accident.
An accident? Well, he tried to bury me in the backyard.
Would you guys listen up? All the old Oz folks have come back. They're having troubles and we deliver us on their problems.
Well, we Munchkins are the world's experts in conflict resolution.
Hey, who's that? It's not Dorothy and her ferocious wolf, is it?
No, it's the river to the east.
Well, don't just stand there staring.
Sorry, but you look like 2 legs.
I am 2 legs. That's all that's left. I was a victim of hit and run house. Now I'm trying to punish that little rat who laid her bedroom on me.
Come on, you can't really blame Dorothy for that, can you?
Oh, I can't. I'm a witch. It's my job to cackle out and go for innocent little girls from Kansas. That's such a cool job! And it's got a nice 401k, but it's really, really hard to enjoy retirement when you've been flattened. So I'm going to get even with that reckless little twit. I'll teach her to drive a house without a license.
I can understand why you might be upset.
Upset? I am not upset. I am peeved. I am furious. I'm irate.
You've got to settle down. The first step of managing conflict is to calm down. Take a big breath. Go on.
There, that's better, isn't it?
Are you still mad?
Am I mad? Well, let's see. Someone dropped a house on me, and nothing but my feet were sticking out. Sure, I'm mad. I see red. There's a farmhouse on my head. It makes me wanna cast a spell and punch and kick and shout.
You gotta calm down. You gotta calm down. Gotta keep your feet up on the ground. There is no doubt. To work things out, take a deep breath. 'Cause you gotta calm down.
But I'm mad, and I'm back. And I'm on that balance track. I'm gonna search until I find that creep who stole my shoes. When I do, I'll show grace. Drop a condo on her face. gotta calm down before I can solve your problems.
Try counting.
How far?
Until you feel your anger has cooled.
Or until you pass out.
Okay, I'll give it a try. 1, 2 legs, which is all I have because of that little. 3, 4, 5. 5 toes on 2 legs and no fingers because of that sneaky little. 1, 2, 3.
I'm not sure the counting trick is gonna do it.
Did someone say something about counting?
We love math.
What are you flying monkeys doing here? Aren't you guys supposed to be up in the sky, flying or something?
We were, but we heard you talking numbers. Are you going to do some algebra?
Flying monkeys love algebra. If monkey X is flying east at 40 miles an hour,
And monkey Y is flying west at 30 miles an hour. And monkey Z is flying north at 50 miles an hour.
then how long does it take to ditch Monica?
Monica.
Hey guys, where'd you go?
Monica, she's my little sister.
You ditched me on purpose.
Oh, guys, you know that's no way to solve a problem.
It was just a joke, Monica.
You guys are all crazy.
I'm gonna help Monica.
Okay, I think you guys are all crazy.
That's not what she means, Monica.
Remember the formula we were talking about the other day, don't you? It's our path equation for solving problems. Here, we'll go over it again.
When you do X, I feel Y. So what I like is Z. When it comes to solving problems, that's our recipe. When you're in a conflict, here's the formula that's key. When you do X, I feel Y. So what I like is Z. Try it, Monica. Tell us what's wrong.
You fly off to the sky and keep your plans from me. I feel sad, short of breath, and need someone to stand. So I like an invitation every now and then.
When you do X, I feel Y. So what I like is Z. Now that was perfect. We never knew. Now that was perfect. Now it's clear what to do. When you do X, I feel Y. So what I like is Z. When it comes to solving problems, that's our recipe. When you're in a conflict, here's the formula that's key. When you do X, I feel Y. So what I like is Z.
Hey, look, I think I see Dorothy coming. Toto 2? Yep, Toto 2. Man, I'm out of here. Come back here.
See, Toto, you scared us
because I'm very
Would you let me finish before you jump and start me?
Whoa, hold on, you two.
You guys can't keep interrupting each other.
You've got to try some active listening. Really, try to hear what the other person is saying and take turns.
But it's literally her fault. Every time I start, she never listens.
She just thinks that
She picks a fight. Sometimes she insists, it drives me crazy. If she would just hush up, she'd see I'm right.
she
Just
just
says no, she doesn't.
I had to go.
And override. Things used to be so nice. We need
just an audience.
I think that one's a yellow winky.
Remember your manners. We should introduce ourselves. I'm the goat to the north.
And I'm the goat to the west.
Hey, you. Yeah, you with the water bottle. Watch where you point in that thing.
It's okay. You're fine. He didn't mean anything by it. She's still a little sensitive after the bucket incident. As you can see, the two of us are getting along much better now.
We just had lunch. I had the double toilet trouble special. Filet of fenny snake, I've newt, toe frog, and a side of fries.
And I had Caesar salad with a baguette.
Disgusting.
We're still very different. The Munchkins have taught us not to agree on everything. We do to try to see things from each other's perspective. I see your point of view and how it suits you and why you feel the way you do so strong. I see your point of view and how it suits you and disagree because you're still wrong. I see your point of view and though I can't agree, I see your point of view. I see the way you are, and no excuses are. There's still no reason we should have to fight. I see your point of view. It's gonna stick like glue. Let's agree to disagree, 'cause I'm still right. I see your point of view. And though I can't agree, I see your point of view. You like babies. You like dogs. You like turning folks to frogs. You're a psychopath who never takes a bath. You want me to melt? You like mayhem. You like gore. You like goodness. What a bore. Don't you feel ashamed giving witches a good name? I see your point of view and how it suits you and why you feel the way you do so strong. I see your point of view and all that you've been through. Let's agree to disagree 'cause you're still wrong. I see your point of view and though I can't agree, I see your point of view. I see your point of view.
But how do we make them yellow?
Yeah, I wondered that myself. Are the bricks themselves yellow or are the bricks themselves painted yellow?
And when are they going to widen the road? Traffic at rush hour is miserable. And it doesn't help that we're always making it to a song and telling everybody to follow the yellow crow.
Yeah, I have no idea where that thing leads to. Do you?
Not a clue.
27,253, 27,254, 27,255, 27,256, 27,257, 27,258, 27,259, 27,000.
I'm still not sure to count anything's going to work out.
You gotta help me.
What is it, Scarecrow?
I can't take it anymore. All this conflict. What did you expect? You have your grade and you accepted the rule of Emerald City. 4 words. What else do you need?
That's 5, actually.
Whatever.
I thought it would be easy, simple stuff. Rise in parades, get dinners and special interest groups, pass healthcare reform, but everything's just so complicated.
Maybe you can delegate some of your responsibilities to others.
I tried that. I told Lionington women I'd share my rule with them, but now they're fighting about how to split up the power. I just want to run away from it.
You can't run life with conflict. Working through conflict is how you learn.
Man, I should have just stayed in that. Before I had a brain, my life was easy. Before I had a brain, I had no strife. Before I had a brain, were no problems. I had such I have no headaches. There's no pain inside a head that's only full of straw. Once I got a brain, life got complicated. Conflict all around. Man, I really hate it.
Oh, no, 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 no. You cannot run away. No, 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 no. Sometimes you gotta say and face it. You can't walk except for you. You gotta learn to lose this groove. Oh, no, 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 no. You cannot run away. You cannot run away. You cannot run away. You cannot run away.
You got a point. I'm gonna stay and figure out what to do. Oh man, you've been planning to do and then background as usual. Tell them I'll be in Emerald City avoiding fires. I spent a lot of time doing that.
Yeah, good luck. That's ridiculous. I'm king of the jungle.
May I remind you that Emerald City is not the jungle?
Well, it's not a foresty, so I can't see how your little axe there is gonna help you become ruler of Emerald City.
Why are you two arguing? There's nothing to argue about.
We can't figure out how to share the rule over the Emerald City.
I said I'd share the throne.
No! You said you would have the metal workers melt me down and turn me into a throne.
Same thing.
You are going to walk me throne for my royal couch.
Gentlemen, please. You think we should find an arbitrator? You guys should work together by yourselves and come up with some possible solutions.
Still pretty pretty for me. Look for a win-win solution.
Win-win.
Sure, a plan that you both feel good about, rather than something you both voluntarily accept.
That sounds like a good idea. I'm going to try for lioness. I may not be all that smart, but I've got a lot of heart. I don't want to sit to cry or I'll just rest again. Let's find a win. Lions have a lot of pride. Compromise is rarely tried. But I have courage now to work with Mr. 10. Let's find a win. How about this? I rule on Fridays. How about this? Mondays are my days.
That's good. That's good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
How about dividing all the days and win? Win. Now that was not so hard to do. I'm the winner, he is too. I can't wait to alternate, so come on, let's begin. We found a win. How about this? I rule on Fridays. How about this? Mondays are my days.
That's good. That's good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
How about dividing all the days and win? How about deciding all the days and win? One is dividing all the days and win.
Excuse me, I have one question. Are you still angry?
Let me see. Yep, I still want a building on top of Dorothy.
Wow. Well, sometimes walking away and counting isn't enough. You need to find ways to express your anger before you resolve conflict.
Sure, like the wizard who's been good at that. Let's call him. Thank you. The wizard is here.
That's your big entrance.
What do you mean? I appeared out of nowhere.
No, you didn't. You went and jumped.
It was magical.
It was silly. I saw you. You're a humbug.
I think we all agreed long ago that he's a bad wizard, but a good man.
Yeah, and over the years, he's found ways to express his anger before he resolves conflict. You need to try some of that, if you're willing to.
Yes, when I was, I had lived in Oz, and that my balloon was ruined, and I would never be able to return home. I was very angry.
What did you do?
Usual things, threw stuff, tore things up, yelled.
Did you feel like there was a building on top of someone?
Not exactly, but I get your drift.
What did you do?
I discovered some very helpful techniques that I recommend heartily. Keep a journal, write your feelings there. Keep a journal that you never share. It's internal, soon your anger sinks and it even shrinks. Write a letter, rain, rent a rail. Write a letter, relish your tail. You'll feel better, but there is one key. Take a tip from me. Once you got it down and penned it, hold it close and do not send it. Write for yourself. Write for yourself alone. That's what I did here. I was mad, grabbed a pad, and I wrote this short note. Make a drawing, show what makes you mad. Make a drawing, who cares if it's bad? Anger sign, soon it's gonna cease. It's a masterpiece. Write a letter, rain and rent a rail. Write a letter, relish your tail. You'll feel better, but there is one key. Take a tip from me. Once you've got it down and penned it, hold it close and do not send it. Write for yourself. Write for yourself alone. That's what I did here. I was mad, grabbed a pad, and I wrote short
You know, none of this conflict resolution is any good if you don't follow their own agreements.
Yeah, and that can be hard, but it also pays off.
Yeah, like it did for Yellow Winkies. Wait, what? Who are the Yellow Winkies?
We had a big army in the Book of Oz.
Years later, the Wicked Witch had the left, and when she melted, we helped Dorothy save Tin Woodman and Scarecrow. But then we were mutilated by the real villain.
Hollywood! We couldn't wait to be in the movie, but our parts were changed to cute little yellow helpers to green-skinned soldiers working for the Wicked Witch.
How come I've never heard about this before?
We agreed that we would not complain and make a big fuss about it.
And we Winkies always stand by our agreements.
It would be groovy to be in a movie. Our cute yellow faces on screen. But they said us Winkies look like stale Twinkies, and they have to hack up our scene. After discussions, no
Munchkins know it all. Conflict resolution.